गुड मॉर्निंग ऑल ऑफ़ यू। आज हम बात करेंगे कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी एंड मैनेजमेंट डिप्लोमा सेकेंड ईयर एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चंस की। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज़ द प्रिस्क्रिप्शन। प्रिस्क्रिप्शन क्या है? ए रिटन ऑर्डर ऑफ फिजिकल थेरेपी, ए रिटन ऑर्डर ऑफ मेडिकेशन फ्रॉम ए फिजिशियन और अदर ऑथराइज्ड प्रिस्क्राइबर। नेक्स्ट है, ए रिटन ऑर्डर ऑफ स्पेशलिस्ट कंसल्टेशन, a written order of diagnostic test or procedure. The answer is B, a written order for medication from a physician or other authorized prescriber. Next है, what is the medication adherence? The ability of the patient to follow a medication regimen. Next है all of the above. Next है the willingness of the patient to take medication, the act of taking medication as prescribed. आंसर लास्ट वाला सही है, द एक्ट ऑफ टेकिंग मेडिकेशन एज प्रिस्क्राइब्ड। नेक्स्ट है, व्हाट इज़ द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन इन पेशेंट फार्मासिस्ट इंटरेक्शन। जब फार्मासिस्ट जो है पेशेंट से इंटरेक्ट करता है तो उसकी जो बॉडी नॉन वर्बल यानी कि बॉडी लैंग्वेज है वो क्या करती है, तो टू इन्हांस पेशेंट ट्रस्ट एंड रैपर। What is the role of a community pharmacist in a management of chronic condition? Monitoring patient progress, making medication adjustment, providing पेशेंट एजुकेशन। तो सारी चीज़ें जो है हमारा कम्युनिटी फार्मासिस्ट कहता है। तो ऑल ऑफ द आंसर इज वॉलंटरी और इनवॉलंटरी रिमूवल ऑफ ए ड्रग प्रोडक्ट बाय द मैन्युफैक्चरर यूजुअली pertaining to a particular shipment or lot number is called recall. The progress of quickly obtaining an out of stock medication in an urgent situation is called final filter, code card, emergency drug procurement, bulk compounding log, emergency drug procurement. Next है, what are the key responsibility of community pharmacist in managing a pharmacy? Ensuring compliance with regulation and laws, providing patient counseling and education, maintaining inventory and ordering supplies. All of the answer is maintaining inventory and ordering supplies. Next है, a record of medication compound in the pharmacy's card, bulk compounding log, ULL time log. तो bulk compounding log. Next, what is the most common type of community pharmacist? Hospital pharmacy, compounding pharmacy, mail order pharmacy and retail pharmacy. सबसे ज़्यादा जो है मोस्ट कॉमन टाइप ऑफ कम्युनिटी फार्मेसी रिटेल फार्मेसी। नेक्स्ट है, व्हाट इज़ द फार्मेसी, व्हाट इज़ द प्राइमरी रोल ऑफ ए कम्युनिटी फार्मासिस्ट। क्या प्राइमरी रोल है? प्रोवाइडिंग हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस एडवाइस, डिस्पेंसिंग मेडिकेशन, कंडक्टिंग पेशेंट असेसमेंट। ऑल ऑफ द आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ। व्हाट इज़ द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ यूजिंग अप्रोप्रिएट टोन एंड पेस when communicating with a patient over the telephone to reduce the risk of misinterpretation, to improve patient understanding, to increase patient satisfaction। वैसे तो सारे होंगे लेकिन to reduce the risk of misinterpretation. What is the significance of addressing non-adherence to medication regimen? Answer is to improve patient outcome. What is the most common type of dispensing in error? Answer is medication dosing error. medication यानी कि सबसे ज़्यादा जो एरर आती है डिस्पेंसिंग की कि लोग गलत तरीके से दवाई खा लेते हैं कि कौन सी भाई कितनी क्या लेनी है डोज, तो उसमें। नेक्स्ट है, व्हाट इज़ द रोल ऑफ ए कम्युनिटी फार्मासिस्ट इन चेकिंग फॉर potential drug interaction of the allergies, to identify and resolve any medication related problem. All of the above. Improve patient outcome, to monitor medication efficiency, to identify and resolve any medication related problem. Next, what is the dispensing error? An error in a preparation or labeling of a medication. Error क्या है? dispensing, या तो उसका लेबल गलत हो जाए है ना, या फिर प्रिपरेशन गलत हो जाए। तो आंसर इज एन एरर इन द प्रिपरेशन और लेबलिंग ऑफ ए मेडिकेशन। नेक्स्ट है, व्हाट इज़ द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ रेगुलर ट्रेनिंग एंड एजुकेशन फॉर स्टाफ इन मिनिमाइजिंग डिस्पेंसिंग एरर, टू एनहांस स्टाफ नॉलेज एंड स्किल, to comply with the regulatory requirement to reduce the risk of human error. So to enhance staff knowledge and skill. Answer is, what is the area designed for the preparation of sterile product called clean room? Formality outpatient. The answer is clean room. What is the significance of providing immunization service in a community pharmacy setting? To increase access of immunization services, to increase patient convenience, to improve patient outcome, all of the answer is all of the. What is the role of technology in community pharmacy management? Enhancing communication with healthcare providers, streamlining process and increasing efficiency, improving patient safety. Answer is all of the above. What is the significance of regular review and updating of the SOPs in the pharmacy setting? To keep up with change in regulation and laws, to incorporate new technology and best practice, to maintain the effectiveness of SOPs. All of the answer is all of them. What is the purpose of conducting a medication review in a community pharmacy setting? To monitor medication efficiency, to identify and resolve any medication related problem, to increase medication adherence. The answer is all of the. What is the significance of regulatory reviewing and updating patient information leaflet? Well, to ensure that the information provided is accurate and up to date, to comply with regulatory requirement, to reduce the risk of medication. Answer is, to ensure that the information provided is accurate and up to date. सिग्निफिकेंस क्या है आपका इंफॉर्मेशन रिपोर्ट्स का है? टू इंश्योर दैट इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइडेड इज एक्यूरेट एंड अप टू डेट. गुड फार्मेसी प्रैक्टिस एंड SOPs. A set of guidelines for a conduct of pharmacist and pharmacy staff. A set of guidelines for the staff for the safe and effective use of medication. A set of guidelines for the management and operation of the pharmacy. All of the answer is all of the above. What is the medication therapy management? What is the medication therapy management? A service provided by community pharmacists to optimize patient outcome, to service provided by the nurse to optimize patient outcome, to service provided by the physician to optimize patient outcome, to service provided by specialist to optimize patient outcome. A service provided by the nurse to optimize patient outcome. What is the main goal of community pharmacy management? To improve patient outcome, to increase profits, to provide cost effective care, all of them, to increase profit. Thank you.